All right, you guys, today is day 2 of Ireland. Remember, your box originally looks like this. I is for Ireland. Welcome to Ireland. It is known as the Emerald Island for its beautiful green landscape. We already did I. We did it for Italy. All right, so we're not gonna go over the I again. I will say one thing is don't forget that I can be like that, or you can put caps on it, on the capital, and make it look like this. Doop, doop, doop. Okay? So remember, there's both types of I's. All right? Because we already worked so intensely on the letter I, we are moving on. So we have G. G is going to be for Ireland's green landscape. So if you look at this picture, look, everything is so lush and green and beautiful. All right? All right, so one of those crazy letters, capital, lowercase. They look totally different. All right? Our G, our capital, if you take this off, kind of looks like the shape of a C, right? So we're kind of going to scoop around, and then we're going to kind of kick it in. All right, so kind of like a C or an O, and then give it a kick in. And then our lowercase, remember this hangs in the basement. One of those letters that goes down into the basement. All right, so with this one, we're gonna start at the top and we're gonna make a little loop down, and then we're gonna put our circle on. All right, so we're gonna go down almost like a J, and then loop it around. All right, so try that with your pen. Start at the top, circle it all around, and then give it a little kick. All right, lowercase, same thing, down into the basement, and then loop it around. All right, once you've practiced that a couple of times, you can use the Play-Doh from one of your other kits. You can use the sticky string or the wiki sticks and make those letters as well. All right, so we have our capital G is for Ireland's green landscape. Miss Rachel, do you see any more G's?
I do. I see some little G's, and there's 2 of them right next to each other in wiggle.
Oh, sorry.
That's all right.
I wiggled the table.
That's right.
Those are funny.
Those are some fancy lowercase G's, but the shape is similar, and you can tell they're the same letter.
There you go. All right, you ready for our guessing game?
Yes, I am. Let's do it.
All right, G, G, G. All right. All right, bear with me. What do you think that is?
I think that is a gumball machine.
There you go.
All right.
All right, let's go here. Okay, I know you love my drawings.
Always.
So funny. It eats grass.
Is that a goat, Miss Chrissy?
It is a goat.
Oh, perfect.
This is the grass it's eating.
Oh,
It's
the
eating
grass starts with G too. You got a 2
there
for
you
there.
go.
Yeah.
I didn't even mean to do that,
Yeah,
but
grass
there you
and
go.
goat.
Grass and goat, gumball machine. Oh, I got one. You ready?
Yes, let's see it.
Well, my table is very wiggly today. Bloop, bloop.
That person is wearing glasses, and glasses starts with G.
Yep. And then there is another kind. Of glasses.
Is that it? Oh, like a drinking glass.
Like a drinking glass.
Yes. Yep.
There you go. All right, so once you are done playing with your guessing game, flip your board over. Oh, one more thing. Don't forget, top. I know we went over this yesterday. This is the outline of Ireland. it's kind of filled in with the flag colors. So we have the green, the white, and then the orange.
Yep, correct.
Okay. All right. Flip it over. Some of the things you'll see in Ireland. Some clovers. That's a 4-leaf clover.
Ooh, good luck.
Good luck. Good luck. We have some rainbows. Of course we're going to see rainbows. Harps. Their music. They love their harps. It has a beautiful sound. Do you play the harp?
I do not play the harp, but they
Have
are
you ever
gorgeous.
played it at all?
I haven't, no, because they are. A harp in real person is big.
They are.
Very big. Yep.
They are, but they make a beautiful sound if
Indeed.
you know what you're doing.
Exactly.
And then, of course, we have the flag and then the map outline. All right. So if you look over here, we have our words. We have clover, rainbow, flag, map, and harp. Okay? All the first letters are underlined. So clover. Let's see. Let's count and see how many clovers we see. So we've got 1 here, 2, 3, and 4. So go ahead in the column and write 4. What happens if you don't know how to write 4 yet?
Draw your dots.
Draw your dots. Okay. All right, rainbow. Should have been rainbows because there's more than one. Clovers, there's more than one. All right, so we have 1, 2, and 3. Oh, goodness. Let's make sure Miss Chrissy does this right.
That's correct, yes.
All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, then we have our flag. The one and the only. Boom.
There it is.
One flag. Easy. Boom. Don't forget you can fancy that up too. Shoop. Shoop. All right, and then we have our map. So I see 1 here, and I see 1 there. So we've got 2. Boop, boop. And the last but not least, we have our harps. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3. All right. Miss Chloe's trying to trick us. You've only got 3 harps. All right. Let's look down at the bottom. We have our leprechaun. Are you really going to see a leprechaun?
No.
No, make believe. Make
Yep,
believe.
they're pretend.
They are pretend. They are going to our pretend pot of gold
Which I wish was real, but alas.
under the rainbow. So we're going to try to get our leprechaun to our pot of gold. So just start going and then make sure you stop and you look. All right. If we look this way, we can kind of see that it's not going anywhere.
No,
so
we
let's
just
put our
cross
X
that
there
off. Yep.
and keep going.
Ooh, tricky.
That is tricky. All right. Let's go this way.
Oh, boy, you got some options, Miss Chrissy.
I do. But we can see that that one doesn't go
That's not
anywhere.
working out. And that one doesn't go anywhere either. Gotta keep going. Keep trucking along.
Whoop, I could keep going. If I kept going. Ooh, tricky. All right, let's try this way.
No, that's not gonna work. That's not near the
Okay.
pot of gold. Let's keep going.
Remember, try to stay in these lines. Ooh. Look, if I go this way, it's a dead end.
Yep.
If I go this way, it's
Also
a dead end.
Yep.
All right, we're looking.
Getting close. But
We're
there's
looking.
No gold there. Nope.
Okay, stop. You're at an intersection. Look and see. If I go this way, nope. 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 So let's try this way. Let me get to my pot of gold.
Ooh, good job.
Man, that was a tough one. All right. Let's go over to our symmetry and let's make the other half of our pot of gold. I want all the money, not just half. All right. I think I'm going to start down here, and Miss Chloe has given us a great outline to follow. Oh, look at that. Even a little circle to match that. All right. Lump, lump, lump. It's all of our gold coins, huh? This, I'm going to assume these are nice big circles. All my gold. It's all my gold.
That's right.
Miss Rachel.
Fill it
all
in.
my gold. All right. If you look closely, you have to look really close. There's a clover right here.
Ah.
So if you want, you can try to make the other half of the clover. I'm not going to lie. This part's going to be a little bit tricky.
That is not bad, Miss Chrissy.
Thanks.
Not bad.
It's not too shabby.
No, that's pretty good.
Look. So you can see the
Shade
other
in rest of
side.
it, yep.
A little wonky, but there it is.
There it is.
Super cute. All right. So that is our day 2 of Ireland. G is for the green landscape. I would love to go one day.
For sure. Take me with you.
Okay.
Let's do it.
We'll go together. All right, you guys. I hope you have fun. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.